Hello friends, here we will discuss about the series parallel circuit today, and we will calculate the RTH and I for this circuit. Now we will first work this portion. Here R2 and R3 are in series, so R2 3 equal to R2 plus R3, 4 plus 4 equal to 8 ohms. This is the series circuit. You can do any type of math, just the value may be changed and the formula is same. Now the simplified circuit is this like. Now we will work this part. Here we see that R2 plus 3 and R4 are parallel. So the parallel formula is R2 3 4 equal to R2 parallel R4. Here is the formula. R2 3 equal to R4 divided by R2 3 plus R4. After calculation, we can get the 4 ohms resistance total. Now the simplified circuit is look like this, and you see that all the circuits are in series. So the RTH, you can calculate that RTH plus R2 3 4 plus R5. The total resistance is 10 ohms, and for I we can calculate V divided by RTH. Here B equal to 30, this, and 10 get from this 10. So after calculation we get I equal to 3. Subscribe me for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.